Good morning, Scots. Happy Thursday. I'm Kim.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
Let's start off with some announcements.
First, no school tomorrow, so enjoy that 3-day weekend.
Second, make sure you have your cash ready for today's food sale during lunch.
Third, after-school tutoring is still happening in the library Tuesday through Thursday from 4 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. Transportation is still available at 5:30 p.m. Now we'll be going with our sports team.
Hello, Scots. It's time for some sports. I'm Peter Parra.
And I'm Sarah.
Here are some sports announcements. These events are happening today after school.
Girls soccer versus Golden Valley scrimmage at the stadium at 3:30.
Girls basketball versus Golden Valley scrimmage at the gym at 4 p.m.
Next Monday, girls soccer has media photo shoot at the stadium at 4.
Congratulations to the Highland High School girls tennis team.
They went on to beat Dos Palos Broncos 5-4 in the CIF Central Division 5 playoffs yesterday.
Here's a list of players and coaches who are a part of the team this year.
Go Scots!
Let's go back to the studio.
Thank you for that information.
Now we'll be going with Hannah and Ashira.
Hey Scots, I'm Ashira.
And I'm Hannah.
This message is coming from the Friday Night Club.
Thank you to everyone who participated with their second period in the Red Ribbon Door Contest.
We appreciate all the hard work and efforts in making your doors look iconic. It was definitely a hard decision for the FNL Club, but the results are in.
Congratulations to Ms. Davis' second period as they led number 1 in classroom doors.
And congratulations to our athletics office for leading number 1 in office doors.
Thank you again, and everyone have a great 3-day weekend.
Thank you for the details.
Students and teachers here at Highland, the Parent Center is doing a Thanksgiving food drive this year to help out Highland families and community.
Donations could be dropped off now till November 17th at the Parent Center. On your screen, you could see a list of items that are needed. Thank you for your kindness and generosity.
That's it for today, Scots.
And remember to
Plaid up!